All right, this is the last lesson of Unit 3. This is a very mini little baby unit here on basic triangle intro stuff. So this one is talking about the exterior angles of a triangle, not to be confused with interior. Remember, and let's jump back up to the top for a second. Remember that the three interior or inside angles will always add to 180, right? We've been using that fact for all 4 lessons so far. Now we're starting to talk about the exterior angles, which is on the outside of the triangle. Interior on the inside, exterior, think of like exit on the outside. So an exterior angle interior angle is created when a side of the triangle is extended in either direction. So if I look at my example down here, I've got a triangle, this regular triangle, and I am extending one of those sides in either direction. I could make I can make 3 exterior angles like you see in this diagram down below, right? Each side is being extended in one direction, creating 3 exterior angles. Angle 4, this 123, and that 92. Those are all, well, those 3 are exterior angles, right? Those 3 angles on the outside of the triangle, not on the inside of the triangle. So that's how you get one. You make an exterior angle by expanding or extending the side of a triangle. So I have a triangle, pick a side, extend it. This is your exterior angle right there. Exterior angles are blank with the interior angle it is adjacent to. So an outside angle is something with an inside angle that it's adjacent to, or remember, adjacent to just means next to. They're like touching each other. So if I go back to my diagram here, this exterior angle is touching which interior angle? It's touching this interior angle that I'm going to call angle A because we don't know it yet. So angle A and angle 100, or the angle that's measured 100 there, what do those come together to make? Those come together to make a straight line, which we know is 180 degrees, which from our previous unit 2, we know is called supplementary. So exterior angles are supplementary with the interior angle it is next to or adjacent to. And remember that supplementary simply means adding to 180. That straight line. Remember, they form a straight line. And that's equal to 180. And last but not least, this is the big thing, this is the big new thing that we'll be using a lot, is that the exterior angles are equal to the sum, meaning adding, right? We're addition for sum. Exterior angles are equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. And there's 2 of them, of the 2 remote interior angles. Remote meaning away from, not next to like adjacent. So let's look at a couple of these things with this example 0 that I've got set up here. So based on the second bullet point, exterior angles are supplementary with the interior angle it's next to. So we know that my angle of 100 is the exterior angle, as it says here in my diagram. And that one is adjacent or supplementary with this one. Adjacent, which means here they're supplementary. Which means if that angle is 100, that means angle A has to be equal to 80 degrees in order to get that equal to 180. The next little part here is the part talking about the purple piece. The exterior angles are equal to the sum of the two that are away from it. So I've got my exterior angle over here that I'll highlight in yellow. That 100 should be equal to the two remote interior angles. Well, the two remote interior angles are the two angles on the other side that are not touching it. That's 60 and that 40. And if you'll notice in the box here, if I take that 60 and 40 and sum them together or add them together, it equals 100, which was that exterior angle. And that's always going to be the case. Always. So, yeah. Two new facts that you want to focus on. And really only one of them's new since you're familiar with supplementary from our last unit.